In this video, we're basically gonna know what is series and also we're gonna know what is data frame. Let's begin. So today's agenda, we are going to know what exactly is series. We are going to implement few things in series. We're going to know what exactly is data frame and we're going to implement few things in data frame. So first, let's see what exactly is series. A series is a Python. Series in Python is a kind of one-dimensional data array. So it's kind of one-dimensional, just one column. That's it. That's kind of like that. The only difference you can find was between other and now. Each value in Python series associated with index. When you print out some column, that time each and every column is associated with the index. The default index value of series is from 1 to n number. So the default index value of series is from 1 to infinite. So the index starts from 0 to n numbers. So it have infinite number of indexes. You can create them or you can specify your own indexes. Yes, you can set your own indexes. So what exactly is data frame now? So data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure. So series plus series is equal to data frame. So this is the formula for data frame. So data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types. So each and every column have different types. None of them are same. It is generally the most commonly used pandas object. It's most used in pandas. So here if you put the same data type, like same types, the columns same, it's gonna throw an error saying that both of them are same. So that's what is data frame and series. Now let's implement them in a Jupyter. So here my Jupyter, this was a part 1 video. If you have not yet watched it, please do watch it. So first what we have done was we imported pandas. Then we have read the file, we have printed the file. Here is the main one. We have set the maximum columns and maximum rows. And we have read another file, we have printed its head. If you have not yet watched, please do watch it. It will be useful for this video. So I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to name this as pandas tutorial part 2. Okay, part 2. Yeah. So first what we are going to do is we are going to create two dictionaries. So first one I'm going to name it as person 1. I'm setting it to the name first. So you should not write it like that. You have to write in double quotes. Name like this. And here I'm going to print out my name. And I'm saying last. That says your last name. I'm going to print out my last name. And then the Gmail. I'm going to say mail. I'm going to print out my name, mail. Like this. So we have to create two like this. So let me just copy and paste one more. Yeah, we are supposed to put commas like this. I forgot that, sorry. So that's why it's showing an error. Person 1, I'm just copying this again and pasting it over here. I'm naming this as person 2. And I'm setting this to setting this to Dhanushri. Last name is H. And I'm printing out the email. gmail.com like this. And let's run this again. Now if we want, we have to concatenate both of them. So I'm gonna say people is equal to name is equal to, we're gonna print both of them now, comma, like this. And then we're coming here, we're putting a comma, and I'm gonna say last is equal to comma, sorry, yeah. So then my mail, both of the mail ID supposed to print like this. And let's run this. Okay, this one is the problem. It's still showing an error. Okay, so let's just try this out if that shows an error. Yeah, so this one is working out. Now after this, what we'll do is we'll import pandas. I'm gonna say import pandas as PD, and now comes the use of, let me just show you guys. We'll say df. So here we're gonna say df is equal to PD dot data frame. Let's just say like this. I like this, yeah, and inside this we are gonna say people, yeah, and now let's print out df. Yeah, so now it's gonna make into a you can say a table. So basically this data frame is gonna concatenate all of them and create into a we have put this, these are the values for these. So the values come here, and you can see here index is there here. So now suppose you want to take one separate one like this. Let me just show you guys. People, name you print out. Okay, name is not defined. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, so you see you can get only the names over here. The names are Likita and Dhanashri. Now suppose you want to get a different one. You will say like male. You can see the two males are printed out. Now how do you take a data? Like how do you get the column? What you're gonna do for getting column is you can say df dot column, df dot so suppose you want to get separate emails only. You're gonna say df dot emails like this. Okay, I have no attribute called as emails. Okay, you have to get email. So for getting that, you can just even do this df dot email. Okay, df dot email is not there. I don't know what's wrong. Mail, sorry. This one is the mail. I've named it as, I put it as email. Yeah, so you can see separately you can get. So these are for, these are for the notations in dictionary. Now let's see how to get for an attribute. I'm going to say df like this you're going to get. Yeah, see. So this is for the, for the dictionary. This is for the notation and this is for the attribute. So these are the two ways you can get, for the attribute and for the dictionary notation. So these are the things we can do using data frames in pandas. So now what exactly is series? You guys might get doubt. So this name is one series, last is one series, mail is one series. So these are the different types of, these are the different series. In my last class so yeah, now we know what exactly these are. We know what exactly is data frames, we know what exactly is series. That's great.